This tutorial will guide you how to unrestrict a website on your iPhone Safari. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. As you can see, the message says website not allowed. For example, it says youtube.com is a restricted website. Now you can try to add website to allowed list, but you can see this doesn't work. Now here's how to fix this issue and to unrestrict a website on your iPhone. Now just make sure to open your settings. Now on your settings, it will come to this page here. So make sure on the settings page here, make sure to scroll down and select screen time. So make sure to select screen time. Now on the screen time, make sure to scroll down and select content and the privacy restrictions. Now select App Store, Media, Web and Games. And then you'll see here on the web content. Now click on web content and make sure it's set to unrestricted. So if I set to unrestricted, if I cancel this and open up my Safari, you can see right now YouTube opens just fine. So that's how you can unrestrict a website using your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.